This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Lynn Miller. Classic Ghent home with period charm and modern updates. Gracious rooms and a great floor plan for entertaining. Many original details have been carefully preserved through the years to enhance the overall character. Beautiful hardwood floors, kitchen opens to a cozy family room with direct access to the privacy of the rear courtyard. Second and third floor bedrooms are quite spacious and there is a full bathroom on both floors. This home has been very well cared for and there are many recent improvements to mechanical systems. Move-in condition but will convey and is condition with a clear termite/moisture report. Easy to show with the listing agent present. For more information, review the details below.